So today we have a project that it says water blowing balloon. How can a water blow a balloon? Do you think it's possible?
Yeah.
So these are the things that we need. We need, you know what this is called?
A zombie.
A jar thingy. They call it, the scientists call it test tubes. So how many balloons are we going to try to blow up?
One.
One? So let's just use one test tube then. Which color are you going to use for the balloon? The blue one?
You know what? Everybody needs two.
Two? So we're going to need two test tubes. So then we are going to need baking soda, it says, and citric acid. So first it says fill the test tube up with 40 milliliters of water. So you got to pour that all the way up to, you see here where it says 4 or 5? That's 45.
4 or 5.
Ooh, how you gonna do that? How you gonna do that? Wait, I got an idea. Here. There we go.
Yeah,
You gotta watch it now. Watch. You didn't watch to see it went over the 45.
I couldn't see.
So pour some of that out and back in there. You're gonna see if you can get it to 45. Okay. Oh, wait, is it? Okay, I think that's about right. Just on the money. Okay. So then let's do this one too. You gotta put this one up to 45. But let's put this over here like this. Okay, you gotta watch the numbers on the side, okay? To make sure that it goes up to 45. Can't get it past that. Oh, stop.
Oh.
It went over a little bit?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Go ahead and put out some.
Yes.
I don't think you poured any out. You did not pour it, did you?
Oh, no.
Just a drop.
What?
You're trying to be extra, extra careful. So it has the little.
Mom, you hold it down. Oh, let's put it in here.
Yep. And we got it both to 45, right? And it says we need a spoonful of citric acid. So we have to do this.
I do it.
And hold on a second.
Kind of looks weird. I want to see what the cousin looks like a bit. Come on.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Right here is where the recording gets very, very offbeat until it eventually fades and you don't hear anything at all until the next clip. But Aaron still wanted to post it and we're showing it for the content. Just use it as a visual. Thanks for watching. Measure it like this, right? Put the measuring cup inside one of the beakers so that you can pour the citric acid in. You gotta put this one inside there.
Okay, let's put it this way.
Okay, now the one that says citric acid. Hold on a second.
We have the same amount for that one.
Let me see if it says teaspoon or tablespoon. And it only says a spoonful. Let's do. It only says a spoonful.
What's that spoon? That's a blue.
I'm gonna do too many. Blue.
Yeah. Blue look at the cousin. What?
Let's do the red one.
Why?
Because that's what my instincts are telling me.
No, blue's telling me.
No, really, for real. I think we gotta measure it with this one. Because look, it's cut.
What is it? That's fine.
Yeah, here.
It looks like that's what it's
Put it
like on pizza, or it's like on what are those called again? Puzzles. Yeah.
Here, take the other two. Got it? Now, here is the tricky part.
What is it?
This, because we gotta put this in here. Can you put that on in that balloon hole? Can you do that?
I don't think. No.
I think you can. You gotta put it over it. The balloon top stretches. Let's see.
Is it recording? Yes.
Hold it. Now we need baking soda. Hold on a second. Hold that up. The green part. We gotta put some baking soda inside the balloon.
Okay.
So let me hold the balloon, or can you do both? Can you pour that in there while holding
I
it?
have to do both.
Put it in there.
It's easy. I can do both at a time.
Okay.
So let's take this off. This one is gonna go over that test tube. Wait, not yet. Let's fill the other one up so they can react at the same time. Here. Ready?
It's the more than I expected to.
Okay.
It's
Now,
maybe not better because it's right there.
how are we going to? Okay, you pull it up. Now we got to get. Oh my gosh, girl, I'm like I'm not a girl. What you want me to laugh?
I
She
don't want you
is.
to laugh.
Oh, now I can't laugh.
Wait, what that happened?
Okay, I'm trying to push it down because I don't want it to pop off when it starts to react.
Oh, it feels good.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Pick that white one up, and we're gonna pour all of the baking soda inside of there. Oh, hold it! No, hold it!
And right here, the sound
Hold
is
it, okay.
doing that little
Hold it
thingy
Hold
again, but again, just
this
watch.
part right
Just
here.
watch.
You
Don't
got
listen,
it.
just watch.
Yeah. Let me hold you.
You got it. You gotta hold it.
Yeah.
Don't let it slide off. Look at the water bubbling.
Yeah. This is the funnest sentence down there. Cool.
How much is it gonna blow up? This one is about ready to explode. It's about ready to pop off of there. Then why this one don't seem like it's bubbling as much?
Yeah. Both of them is slowly. I thought both of them would blow like fast.
Just it's slipping. It's slipping. The balloon is slipping off. You gotta hold it down. Hold it down.
Okay, let's just take it off now. As far as it gotta explode.
Oh, you think it's done blowing up? That one is still bubbling though. The white one is still bubbling.
Okay, let's bring it.
Blew up the balloon.
Okay.
Not making enough sense to have this recording for you.
Come on, Mom. This can't get out. It maybe explodes and I run away. And I see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.